What's up, guys? Just did a quick dealership spotting here in San Diego. Went to Ferrari and Mercedes. Went to Ferrari for one reason only, to see the Pista they have there. They actually have two. One of them is actually in modern image, I believe, getting a full paint protection film. There's never been Pistas before, but now they just have two suddenly. So we went to check out one of them. It was pretty nice. I'm not a big fan of Pistas, but how they look, it's not bad. I prefer the Speciale over the Pista NA over Turbo any day of the week. I didn't take any video, but I did get some footage of the Pista. So here you guys have some of the footage of the Pista. Looks good. It's very aggressive. If you see it in person, it's a lot more aggressive than the regular 488. We've got extra lines, a lot of carbon fiber. This spec had a lot of carbon fiber. No carbon wheels though. The other Pista here in San Diego, the owners decided to spec it out with carbon wheels. I don't even know how much that cost, probably a fortune. But this one didn't have carbon wheels, although it looked pretty good with a lot of other carbon exterior parts in it. But that's that. Now I want to talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow is a pretty exciting day for me. I'm going to PFS Cars and Coffee. First time actually going to PFS Cars and Coffee. I went to the open house last year, which was not that great. The Chiron, some Paganis that I've already seen before, the Hellbee and the Hellbug was there too. But other than that, oh, I did actually get to see the Mclaren P1 GTR for the first time, but that was it. Probably the GTR was probably the best thing. It wasn't that great of an event, honestly. It was very crowded, and unlike last year where they actually allowed the cars to sort of rip it in a very short street, the cops were here and they didn't allow that, so there was no revs and accelerations going on, which is very large part of an event such as that. But the Cars and Coffee is not the same event as the open house. The open house is just a larger version of the Cars and Coffee, so the Cars and Coffee is not going to be as big. This one is still good. I want to check it out. PFS actually said on their Instagram they have some stuff coming in. I'm guessing the blue SVJ they have at Lamborghini Newport Beach. Other than that, maybe a Huayra. They are posting a Huayra Roadster on the picture where they're promoting the Cars and Coffee. So maybe we got to see this red Huayra. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Well, we'll just have to wait and see. Tomorrow it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I have to leave at like 6:30ish. I want to get there a little bit early. So I think I'm going to leave at 6:30 and then head up to Irvine. It's in the middle of like Irvine and Newport Beach. I think it's in between that. So it's gonna take like a good hour and a half to go there. Unfortunately, Tristan's not coming with me. You should see this. Wait, just watch. This guy is sleeping at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He's Europeans. He's only half European and he's sleeping in the middle of the day. It's crazy, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It's 7 o'clock. It takes an hour. I did the research. It takes only an hour to get there. That's why it's only 7 o'clock. It is so f***ing cold. Oh, I can't feel my hands. There's something about San Diego morning weather. It's just, I'm not used to it. It's crazy. Okay, let's get some gas and let's head to Irvine. Okay, I have made it to PFS. Actually, I'm pretty late, 20 minutes late, but there are some spotters outside and it's not as crowded as the open house. Not at all as crowded as open house. During the open house, this parking lot down the middle was full and all the parking lots around it was full. So let's not waste any more time and see what cars that are here. Whew. Okay, hands down way better than the open house they did last year. It's not as crowded. It's still crowded. There's a lot of people, but so many nice cars that were unexpected for me. Not even a Pagani, but it's okay. We don't need to see a Pagani. McLaren P1 GTR. I've seen that last time when they did the open house, but now they just brought one. So P1 GTR. We have Dan Senna, another Senna. I've seen those. 14 GT2 RSs. From what I counted inside their garage, their detailing room, I counted 14 GT2 RSs. That's unheard of in one place. 14 GT2 RSs. And I'm pretty sure there's a couple more outside, so that's more than 14, which is ridiculous. We also have 3 SVJs, 2 of them blue. I've never seen those. I've seen the white one before, but the other 2 blue ones, I've never seen one, so those were pretty cool. We have 2 SVs, actually not 2, 3 SVs, a Veyron 16.4, I believe, in full white. There was a Lamborghini Centenario that stays in Lamborghini Newport Beach. That was common for me. A 6x6, that's first time seeing that, I think. It's massive. Oh my god, that thing. I mean, I could go on and on, but I was planning to film it and not just capture a b-roll, but since there was a lot of people and I didn't bring my ND filter, I couldn't do that. So hope that b-roll sequence was good enough for you guys. This was a very good event. Now I'm gonna head back down. I need to stop by at a place to actually buy an ND filter from a person on Craigslist. There's this really not an ND filter, I'm buying a polarizer, my bad. I'm buying a polarizer from a person, a very nice polarizer. So I'm gonna stop by on the way down and then probably head down back to San Diego. I was planning to stay here longer and hit up more dealerships, but after this I don't think it's really worth it to go to different dealerships and look around at more cars, because they're all the best cars I've just seen. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here. I know it's a quick one, but I had a blast. I was just going around, taking shots and filming for like a good hour and a half straight. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.